Yes, ma'am, I can see it now.
Okay. Just a moment. This one, question number 29. Very often you must have seen such question in any test or exam. Okay, let's read it. For which value of, this is called lambda. Okay, this is just a symbol, just like alpha, beta, or maybe x, y, z. This is called lambda. Okay, so I'm pronouncing it lambda. Okay, so this just taken a symbol from the Greek alphabet. For which value of this one? Do the pair of equation lambda x plus y minus lambda square and x plus lambda y minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, have no solution. No solution means parallel line, and parallel line it was a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, right,
Yes,
Ritvika?
ma'am.
We need to just identify our a1, a2, b1, b2 carefully, and we can compare them. Not equals to will not help us anything. Okay, so we will be getting here lambda x or not x. Okay, just lambda. That is the coefficient of x. A1 is lambda, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Over a2. A2 is just 1 is equals to b1 just 1, b2 just lambda. What are we getting from here? Lambda value. Yes. What are we getting? The lambda value. Lambda by 1 is equals to 1 by lambda. You just do crisscross, no? Just a minute. We'll be getting lambda square is equals to 1, right, Ritvika? That means lambda is equals to plus minus 1. So for no solution, lambda is plus minus 1, right? Okay. For infinitely many solution, it will be a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 also. Same. Okay. So our c1, we can see it is minus lambda square. Lambda is just like a number, just a constant. Okay. So our c1 is minus lambda square. Our c2 is minus 1. Okay. So along with this two ratio, lambda by 1, 1 by lambda, c1 by c2. That is our c1 is minus lambda square. Our C2 is minus 1. Okay. If you will compare the first two, you will be getting the same. Lambda is equals to plus minus 1. Okay. Plus 1 and minus 1 also. If you will be comparing the next two, okay, next two ratio, that means you will be getting 1 by lambda is equals to lambda square by just 1. And here also you will be getting lambda cube is equals to 1 and lambda is just 1. Okay, same answer you are getting from this two, from the second two. If you will compare the first and the last one, okay, you will be getting, let me check. If you will compare the first and the last one, you will be getting lambda by 1 is equals to lambda is square by 1. And again, if you will do crisscross, here, you will be getting lambda is equals to lambda square. Whenever you are having this type of situation, what you have to do, you have to take all the lambdas in one side of equal to. That means lambda square minus lambda is equals to 0. Here you have to do the factorization first. Okay, quadratic equation chapter. Have you done, Ritvika?
No, ma'am. We're halfway there.
Okay, if you are halfway there, always for finding the x value, for finding the solution, we have to do the factorization. What I'm talking about, I am saying that if you are having x square minus x is equals to 0, is it quadratic? Is it quadratic?
Yes, ma'am. It can be quadratic.
It is quadratic, okay, because the highest power of the variable has to be 2. And yeah, here we are having highest power 2. It is quadratic. Even though your constant term is present or not present, it is completely fine. It is quadratic. And in this type of quadratic equation, you have to still do the factorization. But here, splitting the middle term, no. Here, taking out the common factor x, and you will end up having x minus 1 in the bracket is equals to 0. Now you will say that either your x is 0 or your x minus 1 is 0. So either your x value is 0 or your x value is positive 1. Are you getting? Still it is quadratic. Okay, in your NCRT you must have seen this type of question where you are having x square minus 36 is equals to 0. It is quadratic. Here x term is not there. Here what we will do? Factorization. How? We can do factorization this way as well, that 36 can be written as 6 square, and we'll be having x plus 6 in one bracket and x minus 6 in another bracket, right? And then again comparing with 0, which will give us the x value. So every time we have to do the factorization. Now for doing the factorization, ways can be different. Same thing I am telling you to do over here in our question. If you are having lambda is equals to lambda square, don't say that lambda gone. Okay, no, we will be writing it this way, that lambda square minus lambda is 0. That means lambda common, lambda minus 1 is 0. And if you will do this way, then only you will realize that your lambda value can be 0 and can be 1.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, otherwise if you will say that it is cancelling out or something, you will end up saying maybe lambda is 1 or maybe lambda is 0. So only one value you will be giving, but here you are getting two value and we have to write all possible values of lambda. So see, from the first two ratio we got lambda is equals to plus minus 1. From the next two ratio we got lambda as a just 1, and from the last two, the first and the last one, we compared the ratio and we got lambda as a 0 and 1. So all possible values of lambda when there are infinitely many solution is minus 1, 0, plus 1. That's it.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Compare this three ratio. Now the same question says that a unique solution. When there exists a unique solution, then how many lambda value you can take out? So when there is unique solution, then a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, right? Okay. So a1 by a2 is lambda by 1. b1 by b2 is 1 by lambda, which will give us this two not equal. when there is unique solution. That means lambda square is not equals to 1. The way you solve the equation, same way you will be solving over here, but every time you will keep on saying not equal, not equal, not equal. Lambda cannot be plus 1, lambda cannot be minus 1. Getting it?
Oh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
These are the three, okay, different situations we are getting for lambda. Question number 36 also, Ritvika, you can see it's exactly the same thing. Okay, but here you lambda and all you are not having. You are just having the numbers, which is easier to deal with, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see question number. Let me take which one is important. This 39 is really, really, really important. Okay, this is important for any exam. Please do it. Yes, Ryan. Question number 39. Please read it and tell me what will be the equations.
Ma'am, x plus y is equal to 66 and x minus y is equal to 2.
Okay, let me check. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. The sum of two-digit number. What do you see it as the first equation, Ryan?
And x plus y is equal to 20 to 66.
X plus y is equals to 66, right? Is it x plus y just?
Ma'am, x plus 2 is equal to 66.
Yes, Ryan, whatever I have written, you said the same thing. Okay, let's check it. The sum of two-digit number. Okay, two-digit number, whenever anywhere we will see, we will assume it like maybe 10x plus y, maybe 10y plus x, right?
Yes,
Okay, because we don't assume the two-digit number as a xy, because this gives the illusion that x and y are multiplied together. Okay, to avoid this confusion, we take the place value. The way we are having, for example, 24, we take the place value as a 2 into 10 plus 4. Similarly, xy, rather than writing it in this form, we will be writing it 10x plus y. This is our two-digit number. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit. This is the two-digit number. Your two-digit number is this. Okay, it says that the sum of this two-digit number. It doesn't say the sum of digits. Okay, the sum of digits. Okay, I was expecting that digits will be written, then I will add x plus y. But digits is not written. Okay, it's written the sum of two-digit number. Your two-digit number is this 10x plus y. And the number obtained by reversing the digit. Okay, so 24, when you will reverse the digit, it will be 42. Okay, here the expanded form is 2 into 10 plus 4, and here the expanded form is 4 into 10 plus 2. Similarly, we also have to reverse our number, reverse the digit. So if you have taken 10x plus y, when you will reverse the place, y will be sitting at 10's place and x will be sitting at 1's place. This is your reverse form. Okay, it says the sum of these two, the sum of the two-digit number, and the reverse form, the sum of these two circled one. The sum of these two circled one, that is 66. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's try simplifying this one. So we will be getting 10x plus y, 10y plus x. 10x plus x will be 11x. Okay, 10y plus y will be 11y. That is 66. We can take out common. 11 will be having x plus y is equals to 6. Right? The first equation. Now, if the digits of the number differ by 2, so if I have taken one of them as a x, another as a y, it differs by 2. Still we don't know, okay, that which one is bigger, which one is smaller. So randomly I'm just taking x minus y is equals to 2. It differs by 2. Okay, actually it is x minus y or y minus x, we don't know. Okay, we are just taking randomly x minus y. And the question also says how many such number are there. So 2 3 answers will be getting due to this possibility. Okay, actually 10's place digit is bigger or 1's place digit is bigger, we don't know. So randomly we are taking x minus y is 2. Okay, now we will solve this two equation. X plus y is 6 and x minus y is 2. Please solve it and tell me the x value. X plus y is 6 and x minus y is 2.
Ma'am, X is 4, Y is 2.
X is 4, y is 2. So actually our two-digit number we have assumed as a 10x plus y. Okay, so great. Okay, randomly I have taken one example, that 2442, and it is clicking over here, but okay, I didn't know the answer. Randomly I have taken that number only. Okay, just coincidence, you can see the same number you are getting. So actually here x is 4, y is 2, and your two-digit number you have assumed as a 10x plus y. Okay, when you will take 10 into 4 plus y, 10 into 4 plus y, you will be getting 42. This is your two-digit number. And it says that how many such numbers are there. So it can be 42 or maybe it can be 24. Okay, we are not sure because x minus y2 we have taken. It can be y minus x2. Okay, due to that possibility only, this two possibilities we are getting. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever you will see two-digit number, always in your mind it should come xy, but we cannot write it so 10x plus y. If in your mind it is coming as a yx, then we cannot write it that way. Then it will be 10y plus x. That way we can write it. In expanded form, we can write it. By reversing the digit, whatever will come, That also we will be writing in expanded form. Okay, let's do the next question. This question is really important. Yes, Ryan, will you be able to do question number 41? Yes, Ritvika, you also. Just now we were discussing this type of questions. Wait. See, for unique solution, you will say that A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, right?
Yes.
That means you will say that 2 by 4 should not be equals to M by N. That means, okay, M by N should not be 1 by 2. It should not be 1 by 2. And yeah, this much, only this much as an answer is fine. Okay, we don't have to find the possible answers and everything. Only this much we can write. Getting it? Getting it, Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
For infinitely many solution, maybe you will be able to find the M value and N value. Please check it. For infinitely many solution, we will say that, okay, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. So we will say M by N is equals to 1 by 2. That means we can say crisscross multiplication if you will do. You can say that, okay, 2M is equals to N. Just mark it as a equation number 1. And then you will compare the next two. Okay. This M by N is equals to 1 by 1. And you are getting M is equals to N, right? If you will do substitution, let's check, are we able to find the M and N value? So if we will take M and N are same. So here I can write 2N and here I can write N. That means 2N minus N is equals to 0. And we are getting 0, right? Getting it? Are you getting it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hence M will also be 0 because M and N are same. Making sense, Rayan? Actually, I just want to show that, okay, here the numbers are not given that properly. Okay, you will not encounter this type of situation. You will encounter that by comparing the first two ratio, you are getting one equation. By comparing the next two ratio, you are getting a proper equation. And maybe, okay, by using the method of substitution or elimination, you have to find the value of the unknown. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do question number 2. Okay, I just wanted to show you the type. Okay, here data was much more better in the previous question, in the lambda one. I will show you, Rayan, the question which we did just now. Question number 2 says the area of rectangle. Okay, this type of question is also really important. Okay, it says the area of rectangle reduces by 160 meter square. Area reduces by 160 meter square. If its length is increased by 5 and breadth is reduced by 4, all of a sudden you will see area is reducing. That means you have to assume the original scenario, that suppose your length is x, breadth is y, then the area is xy. Getting it? Now the area of the rectangle reduces by 160. So actually it was xy. Now it reduced by 160. Okay. If the length is increased by 5, your x increased by 5. And the breadth is reduced by 4. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here area was x into y. But here it will be xy minus 160. That is equals to, in one bracket length, another bracket breadth. Getting it, Ritvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
However, if the length is decreased, this is one equation. You have to simplify this equation. Please simplify it and tell me what is actually your equation. You can see left side you are having xy minus 160. Right side you are having in one bracket length, another bracket breadth. Just apply distributive property, open the bracket and tell me the normal basic form of the equation. What are you getting? Can you see we are getting 4x minus 5y, 15y, 5y, wait, 5y. Okay, 4x minus 5y is equals to 140. Are you getting it? Rayan and Rituka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rayan, is it making sense? Are you there? You are not getting it, Rayan? See here, all of a sudden it says that the area increased by 160. So we are assuming, let's assume the actual scenario we are having where the length is x and the breadth is y and the area is xy. If the area reduces by 160, then now the area became xy minus 160. And the length, okay, so you got it, Ritvika? Ritvika? Okay. This is our first equation. 4x minus 5y is equals to, let's create the second equation. Now solve it and tell me the value for x and y. Okay, can you tell me what to do for finding the second equation? First equation is 4x minus 5y is equals to 140. Second equation, it says that however, if the length is decreased by 10, with reference to the actual scenario, if the length is decreased by 10, okay, that means L minus 10. And breadth is increased by 2, that means, okay, length was x, right? X minus 10, and the breadth was y, is increased by 2. Then its area decreased by 100. Actual area was xy. Okay, xy, that decreased by 100. Getting it? Please do the simplification and tell me what is the normal equation.
Ma'am, x minus y is equal to minus 8.
Are you getting the same, Ryan?
Yes.
Now you have to solve this two equation to take out the x value and y value. Okay, this one and that one. Let me check your equation is correct or not. We'll be getting xy, we'll be getting plus 2x, we'll be getting minus 10y, we'll be getting minus 20 is equals to xy minus 100. 2x minus 10y is equals to minus 80. That means, is it this one? Is it this one, Ritvika? X minus 5y is equals to minus 40? No?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan, what you got? Just a moment, no? Let me take. It says that if the length decreased by 10, right? And the breadth increased by 2, right? Then the area decreased by 100, right? So xy plus 2x minus 10y minus 20 is equals to xy minus 100. Now this xy gone. So we are left with 2x minus 10y is equals to minus 100 plus 20. That means 2x minus 10y is equals to minus 80. That means x2 I will take common. Okay, and we'll shift it to other side. So x minus 5y is equals to minus 40, right? Let me check the statement accordingly. I have written the numbers on it. However, if the length is decreased by 10 and breadth is increased by 2. Yeah. Then its area decreased by 100. Yeah. Are you getting it, Ritvika and Rayan? This will be the equation. X minus 5y is equals to negative 40.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll be having this equation. We have already created the first equation. Now we just need to solve it. Now any question where all of a sudden it will be written that area is decreasing, then just assume the actual scenario. Actual means what? Actual means just the formula that, let's say, length is x, breadth is y, area is xy. That's it. Okay, then you will understand what to do after that. Okay, sometimes student get confused with this type of question also, which is question number 47. Let's read it. So Vijay had some bananas and he divided them into lot A and B. He sold the first lot. See carefully, I need to take this question. Just a moment on his another screen. Can you see this question? It said that Vijay had some bananas. He divided them into lot A and B. He sold the first lot at a rate of, okay, at a rate of rupees 2 for 3 bananas. See the rate, okay? 2 rupees, 3 banana. 2 rupees, 3 bananas. Okay? And the second lot at a rate of rupees 1 per banana. And got a total of 400. Now we don't know what to assume so far. Okay? Another condition is again given. If he will sold the first banana as this price, second at this price, okay, his total collection will be this. Find the total number of bananas he had. Okay, total number of bananas he had. So we are thinking that let's assume that total banana we have to find. Two categories are given. Let's say here X banana is there, here Y banana is there. Getting it? The number of banana over here is X, and the number of banana in the second lot, okay, is Y. Cost is given, okay, total amount means number into cost. Now the biggest confusion over here is rupees 2 for 3 banana and we have X banana. Okay, so unitary method, if you understand really well, then you will be able to say that, okay, just little bit briefing on unitary method. If one orange cost is 5 rupees, then 10 orange cost will be 10 into 5, right? Right? This is the first situation. When you are going from 1 to bigger number, you will be you will do multiplication. 1 to bigger number, multiplication. 1 to any number, multiplication. When any number is given and 1 you need to find 1, then division, basic division. When a bigger number you know and 1 you need to find, basic division. Okay, you have to divide this 50 by 10, you will be getting one piece price. Okay, and there comes the combination of these two. That is the third one, where I will tell you that 6 bananas price is 36, and tell me what will be the price for 10 banana. Here 1 is not there. So you will say that 6 banana price I know. Let's find 1 banana's price first. Bigger number to 1, division. 36 by 6, that is 6 rupees for 1 banana. Now 1 to bigger number we are going multiplication. Getting it? Are you getting it, everyone? Yes, Ryan, Ritvika.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
third
ma'am.
case I wanted to explain, but due to that I had to do the first two. Okay. So if you will understand this, all three scenario, mainly the third one, the first two everyone knows. Okay. The third one, which is the combination where 6 is given, 8 is asking, 8 is given, 9 is asking. Okay. Asked in the question. So you have to come to 1. Okay. Let's do over here. So now we have assumed that, let's assume that lot A has X number of banana, lot B has Y number of banana. He sold the first lot at a rate of rupees 2 for 3 banana. Okay, rupees 2 for 3 banana. So I want to check the price for 1 banana. 1. Okay, so I will say 3 bananas prices rupees 2. 1 banana price will be division. Even though division doesn't looks good, then also division. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your division is, you can see proper fraction 2 by 3. 0 point something will come, but that is fine. Division. 3 to 1, division. Are you getting it, Ryan? You
Yes.
want to check the price for X bananas now? So it will be multiplication. 1 to any other number. Okay, this X must be bigger than 1. Okay. So 1 to any other number, multiplication, 2 by 3x. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, 2 by 3x is the total price for x banana. If 2 banana for 3 rupees, if 2 banana for 3 rupees, then 1 banana price we will be finding always. Always we will try finding 1 banana price. Okay, unitary method. Once you know 1 banana price, you can say x banana's price will be this. Now 3. Next, he sold the first lot as this one and the second lot as rate of 1 rupee per banana. So y bananas are there. So it will be 1 into y, right? Here it is 1 rupee per banana. Okay, so 5 banana, 1 into 5, 6 banana, 1 into 6, 7 banana, 1 into 7, y banana, 1 into y. That will be the price. And total the price became 400. Is it clear, the first equation to both of you?
Oh, yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Next, if he had sold the first lot, if he had sold the first lot at a rate of 1 rupee per banana, great. First lot 1 rupee per banana, X bananas are there, X rupees. Clear? and the second lot at rupees 4 for 5 banana. See, this is the pain point. Rupees 4 for 5 banana. Rupees 4 for 5 banana. But we are not going to get confused. It is written rupees 4 for how many bananas? 5 banana. I want to calculate for 1 banana's price. 1 banana's price. So I will write it reverse way. That 5 bananas price is rupees 4, no? Then 1 banana price will be division. Division. 5 by 4, no. Okay, right one by the left. Okay, right one by the left one. This way division, always. Okay, this is the price for 1 banana. And how many banana you are having in the second lot? Y banana. So Y banana will be this 4 by 5 into Y. Clear? And that is 460 rupees. This is equation number 2. If these two conditions are clear, please let me know. If it is not clear, please let me know. I'll clear it. Is it clear, Ritvika?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, Ryan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so unitary method, if you have understood really well, then this situation, whenever you will encounter rupees 2 for 3 banana, 5 banana, 2 rupees, okay, 8 banana, 3 rupees, this type of situation will be given. You will be finding the 1 banana price. That will be in decimal. Okay, you don't have to do convert in decimal, but okay, you will get this type of fraction 2 by 3, okay, 4 by 5, but that is completely okay. And we have created the equation successfully. Now this type of equation was given already in your book and you were solving it, finding x and y value, right? So you know